Hey everyone, check out the HUATOL Rotating Bookshelf Tower made from durable clear acrylic that's lightweight and strong. This modern 5-tier bookcase features 20 cubicles and spins 360 degrees for easy access to your books and decorations. Its transparent design adds a stylish touch to any bedroom or living room while keeping your space organized and visually appealing. The smooth plastic surface is easy to clean with just a damp cloth or mild detergent. Perfect for storing up to 200 average-sized books, toys, or daily essentials, this rotating shelf is both functional and fashionable. Whether for kids or adults, it creates an interactive and convenient way to display your collection. Add a versatile and sleek storage solution that fits perfectly in any room setting. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.